Aaralin naman natin yung candlesticks. Japanese candlestick. Japkan na lang. Japkan. Okay, ganito. Magdodrawing ako ng mga candlesticks. Okay? Ito, hollow. Ito, filled. Kapag hollow, meaning, ano yan, upward movement yan. Kapag filled naman, downward movement. Okay? Tapos, ang open nito, open price dito. Tapos ito, close. Tapos sa fill naman, ito, yung close. Ito, yung open. Tapos, bearish. Diba yan, bearish. Or downtrend. Ang bearish yung downtrend, itong yung magpapakita. Then, bullish. Or uptrend. Yan. Tapos, ituturo ko na yung mga doji, spinning top, bullish harami, and bearish harami. Hammer, shooting star, hanging man, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and inverted hammer. Lahat ng sinabi ko kanina is reversal siya. Okay?